ElectRandyHunt.com, 774-413-9274. Okay, did I do that right, Jeff? Okay. He says never get on a radio show and forget to give that information. So I've got to remember that. We're doing very well. We're raising funds. We're ahead of our plan for fundraising. It's excellent. Thank you very much. Many of you here contributed to my campaign. I thank you very, very much for that. We decided that we would do some polling. You know, polling can be very important in a race, so you understand where you are. So this past week, I called 5 of my best friends, and we are up over my opponent by 100 points. Now, I'm not sure if that's statistically valid or not. They said something about some deviation thing, but whatever. So, but actually, seriously, the race is important. This particular district is particularly important because of this. The opposition has this district targeted as the #1 state rep district that they would like to turn over to the Democrats. And the reason is Jeff Perry. They don't hate me so much, but they would like to see the symbolism of taking that back is big, and they're going to make a big effort on that. So that's one of the reasons why we need to stay in this, work very hard, raise the money, get the word out, do a lot of mailings in September, October up to the election, and we will do that. And one other person that you may not know is sitting right back here. His name is John Killian, and he is working for our campaign now as an intern. John just finished his first year over at the Massachusetts Maritime Academy. And so that's really awesome. All right, our first speaker, besides me, is Tom Keys. Tom Keys, I worked with for 6 years on, I don't know, it was 6 years? Well, it wasn't quite 6 years. He was on the Board of Selectmen for 6 years, and quite a bit of that time we were there together. We had a really excellent board. Doug Dexter was on that board, Frank Benorfi was on that board, and Bill Dietering was on that board. We had a great, solid Republican at that time. And part of the reason that we're able to manage the budget as well as we have over the last 6 years and going on to 7 is because of the actions that we took back then. It's one of the major issues that Tom is looking at now, out of control spending, just doing things in the back room at the state, those types of things. You know, Tom is somebody who's done it the right way. He helps other companies in his professional practice do the right things, get their efficiencies up, make a business out of something that's struggling, and that's exactly what we need for you to do on Beacon Hill. So everybody for Tom Keys.